Welcome back to Sandglass channel today as we continue to explore the mysterious world of food processing machines. Have you ever wondered how horse meat is processed? Enjoy a cup of tea and sit on the sofa with us to discover how to turn horses into valuable culinary products. More specifically, we will witness with our own eyes these incredible food processing machines that transform all types of ingredients from meat, vegetables, to fruit, and even cake dough into delicious dishes, all attractive on our dinner table. Now, this is where things get interesting. Have you ever thought about horse meat? While the United States has imposed a ban on horse slaughter due to ethical and animal welfare concerns, places like China, Vietnam, and Japan include it in their cuisine. They make the horses unconscious before processing the meat, a standard method used by many facilities, primarily aimed at minimizing pain and stress to the horse during its final moments. Trim body parts, such as legs and head first, then remove the skin. Skinning requires a delicate combination of manual skill and the aid of a food processor to ensure efficiency and clean results. Have you seen delicious grilled horse meat or sausages? It is actually lower in fat than beef, is higher in protein, and has lower cholesterol levels. Imagine a potentially heart-healthy option that's also filled with iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. Next is the cabin plant multi-head weighing machine that weighs and divides food portions accurately. It is designed to handle a wide range of products, including sticky and wet products. Food processing machine can weigh products with an accuracy of up to 99.9%, helping you save labor and time, which is an important step forward for the food processing industry. Mai Jong Goi Thit Boze. Have you ever struggled to make the perfect burger? This food processing machine creates and shreds patties in seconds, so you can make restaurant-quality burgers at home, saving time and labor, delivering high efficiency. This Gasami MH Super 114 machine can produce up to 3,600 burger patties or 6,000 meatballs per hour. That's right, guys, delicious enough to feed an army, forming patties up to 5 inches wide, perfect for juicy monster burgers. Texter's Conti Flow is a revolutionary slicer that seamlessly combines the advantages of a clamp slicer and a continuous feed slicer. This food processing machine eliminates the need for expensive, complex padding systems, saving you space and money. This ingenious system ensures a continuous flow of cut parts without interruption, maximizing your production output. This is Olma's Horizontal Form Filling Machine, HFFS, which is a revolutionary food processing machine that seamlessly packs sausages in a continuous flow. That is both cost-effective and visually appealing. These VMAG food processing machines are so powerful they can produce up to 30 tons of beef patties per day. That amount of money to make that burger is enough to satisfy a stadium full of hungry fans. This Novatec SA processing and packaging line seamlessly processes and packages cherry tomatoes and a variety of berries at an incredible speed of 25 packs per minute, maximizing your production output. That's right, folks. This food processor is a powerful packaging machine that turns fresh produce into perfectly packaged delicacies in the blink of an eye.
Passion for something or someone that makes my world turn upside down. Wanna give it up for something or someone that's better than this. my choice to make. It's my new rebellious way.
Do you know how tofu is produced? Join us to explore the product line of Masatufa machine Kobarish Lalati. Tofu, a staple in Asian cuisine for centuries. Derived from soybeans, tofu is rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, delicious and nutritious. This food processing machine is meticulously designed to ensure optimal performance, consistency, and efficiency, allowing you to enjoy the tastiest tofu. Imagine a beautiful day, sunshine pouring in, and inspiration striking. We take the amazing dough and have a Rondo food processor roll it out nice and thin, like magic. Now, the fun part? We're shaping it into butterflies. That's right, delicate little butterflies, perfect for a delightful snack. We filled them with a fun surprise, then carefully folded them into beautiful wing shapes. They are easy to make, eye-catching, and extremely delicious. Trust me, these little butterflies will get everyone excited. Let's start baking. Have you ever wondered how donuts got there? Many perfect shapes? This Raidmaker multifunction machine is like a circus flavoring dough. From classic round donuts to hexagonal rings or elegant long johns at the push of a button. This processor has your back. Excuse me? I have to go find a donut shaped like my face. Thank you for watching the entire video. Like and subscribe to Sandglass to follow more culinary adventures that will make you hungry and your taste buds dance. And don't forget to leave a comment below to let me know what you think about this video.